Speaking of electric vehicles, you know this one, the company Canoo, they got this bus-looking thing. If you follow Jay Leno's channel on YouTube, you would have seen he went there on an episode of Jay Leno's Garage to visit the company based out in California. And at the time, they had a slightly different approach. They were talking about shared, what were they talking, or subscription-based model for ownership. And then the whole leadership changed over. Some people left the company. It was like, what's going to happen to Canoo? They got a kind of a fun thing going on. They got a cool, futuristic-looking vehicle over here. Well, they say it's all happening. They say it's still happening, and they're kicking it off with the lifestyle vehicle is what they're calling it. So not the truck. And the lifestyle vehicle, you can put a $100 deposit on it right now, and it will start at $35,000. They claim it will be available in 2022. And it's kind of picking up on the whole like off-road van look to it. Mm-hmm. As you can tell, you see the slightly bigger tires over there. There's a roof rack on it. It's obviously electric. They have this unique layout on the inside for seating where they have two front captain seats and then this really different bench that goes around the whole exterior of it. I'm sure you can configure this in a few different ways. But the model will come in 4 trims, including base, premium, adventure, and lifestyle. The adventure variant, which is this top trim, will come with more ground clearance and a beefier profile. There's no price on that model yet, though it looks like they can go up to $50,000. Of course, we're talking about USD. Supposedly, it's going to have 300 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, and a 250-mile range. So it's not really crushing any numbers like that, but look at the price point.
Yeah.
And we know we've been talking about the van. The van's coming back. Well, how about this for an option over here? Canoo. What do you think? Are they actually going to make it there? They're taking $100. They going to make it to delivery or what?
I don't mind it. It looks friendly.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I would take this go camping or something.
Would you do it? You would do something like that?
Yeah, why not?
All right, what do you do, ladies and gentlemen?
Sure, let's do it.
All you got to do is put $100. Well, that's it.